Doing another bloody half marathon for some reason. This time in Dublin, Phoenix Park. Pretty busy. Let's see how it goes. It's like 20 minutes. Bad idea, good idea. Bad idea, good idea.
Becca Square. Do you remember the old songs and that? Well, there's two Beccas out there, probably the only. Elsie, taking a day off from the work. Well done to you. Frank Jansen was our starter. Harry Gorman was our Hoosier man. Well done. Can we get a big feeling of it now one more time?
So it was at this point they kind of realised that it was a bad idea trying to run and hold the GoPro and record at the same time. And the noise of it was pretty bad, so sorry about that.
And mile 2. Whew. Mile 3. And left. Whew. Whew. Just past mile 9. Nearly there. Slowing down though. Sorry dude. Coming up to the last one. Oh my god, my leg is cramping. Oh.
Let's just say I was saying expletive deletes over and over here and had to take it out just to be clean about it.
Well done. Keep going. Oh, let go, film me now.
The road is still packed.
Oh.
And again, we're looking out for it.
Hello guys, keep on moving. Oh shit, my right calf muscle's just cramped. My left thigh muscle's just cramped. I think it's like seize up. Oh, a lot of pain. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
There's loads of water poured around now. Bring it up and get it up.
Bit sore than I thought I'd do it, but still my legs are fucked. Excuse my language. Look at that. That's the third half marathon in 4 months. I did it, and look at the finish. Just as I turned the camera on at the end, it felt like someone threw a dart at my fucking right calf muscle. A lot of pain. Still sore, very sore. But done. Got the t-shirt, got the medal. Was it worth it? I don't know. Absolutely wrecked. Worn out, tired, sore. Didn't do it in under 2 hours, I don't think. I think I did it in just over 2 hours. But I don't know, that was the toughest one. I thought Ackle was hard. This was much harder. I don't know why, but whew, fun. Now I have another one in Toronto next month when I go see my brother. Can't wait. Excitement, you can hear it. Woohoo! Okay, did it. Headed back to the car. Stretched out. Still very sore. Whew, good though. Wow, yeah, interesting. Do it again, maybe. Do a full one, don't know. It was interesting. Learning curve, big learning curve. Big learning curve. Gorgeous day for it though, absolutely roasting. I'd say my face is burnt to bits, but we'll see. Hydration and stretching. Legs are probably going to cramp up now on the way home driving.